Hey guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I don't know if there's any Fast and the Furious fans out there, but this is a LEGO replica model of the Nissan Skyline GT-R, which you do see in the movie. This thing is awesome. So on the side, you can see that it has that wrap that the car has in the movie. The wheel arcs are amazing. It does have the front grille just like the car, and you do have the wing on the back, which is pretty awesome. You're going to notice too that it does have the nitro sitting in the passenger seat, just like the movie. You're able to lift off the pieces too, so you can see the motor. You have all the amazing detail. If you see inside, you have your steering wheel, everything that's on the dashboard. I love too, it's got the license plate. This thing is an exact replica from the movie. It even has a Brian O'Connell minifigurine that you can have sitting in. He comes with a wrench as well, so that you can bring this movie to life if you want and have fun. For those who do collect Legos, this is a great addition. This is what this is. It is just a collector's item for us here, but I am so impressed with this, and it was super fun to make. That's just my point of view.